Hey, what's up guys? Marc Khalil is here and today I will unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Its color is maple gold. And here is the full specifications of the phone. And now I will open the box. And that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The display is 6.3 inch. And, at the back, the dual camera and the fingerprint scanner. And, at the bottom, the USB Type-C port and the speaker and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And, at the top, the SIM card and SD card slot. And, at the right side, the power button. And, at the left side, the volume button and Bixby button. And this is the S Pen. And now I will show you what is included in the box. This is the back cover of the phone. This is the USB connector, and it is called OTG, and with it you can connect any USB with the phone. And this is micro USB to USB-C converter. And this is the fast charging adapter. And this is S Pen pins. And this is the USB Type-C cable. And this is the AKG headphones. And now I will power on the Galaxy Note 8. Thanks for watching. Peace out.